The Early Childcare Assistant program at CIMT College is a great career choice for individuals who love working with children and want to enhance children's lives. Sometimes people think that this program makes them babysitters, but that is not true. You don't just take care of children, you also teach them through play and activities in order to prepare them for life. ECAs are at the center of this job and are responsible for everything from organizing and arranging classroom activities and speaking with parents to recording a child's behavior, development, and signs of a disability or giftedness. Research tells us that the first 5 years of a child's life are crucial, and if we make their formative years positive, educational, and confidence building, then they will have a successful future life. So being an ECA is literally a career where you change lives. Some of the courses we teach in this program are child development and observation skills, curriculum planning, preschool development, guiding children, and many more. In child development, students learn about different childcare founding fathers and their theories, which can then be implemented in childcare. In observation skills, they learn how to monitor children and write observational records to see what every child needs to learn and what specific areas the child needs help, development, and support in. Our Early Childcare Assistant program offers hands-on learning in class and at childcare centers. In class, CIMT College students actively participate in various activities like learning how to properly engage children when reading with them and how to sing songs. Students take what they have learned into the field when they go to our practicum host sites. There are 2 practicums totaling 325 hours, where the ECA students will work with children of different age groups. They practice all responsibilities of their job when they are in the field at these host sites, which helps them gain experience. The salary range is from the low to mid-level to start, and it can go up based on experience. For students wanting to become an early childhood educator, this program is a 1+1 opportunity. You take your first year at CIMT College to earn your ECA diploma and complete your second year at Canadore College to earn your ECE diploma. Ask your admissions advisor for details. CIMT College provides you with education and training for success. Call us today and start your journey to a rewarding career tomorrow.